Hi, class. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about this week's assignments. Okay, so this week you have 2 chapters to review in your course content, Chapter 2 and Chapter 4, and it sounds like a lot, but Chapter 4 is actually quite short compared to your other chapters. Chapter 2 talks about different data types, and Chapter 4 just kind of continues on with using some built-in mathematical functions and using the char data type and using strings. So a little bit more information about those specific data types. There's some additional information loaded to Canvas for you for your review. Your assignments, actually, the first one is to find some feedback that I'll leave you on your first program that's due soon, and do a screenshot for me so that I know you know how to find that in Canvas so that we can make sure we're communicating well as we can. And then we have 2 projects in Java. These should both be something that should be within your realm of comfort. And don't forget to be watching the videos in Ravel, and I will post some videos, but in these chapters you should have some really good walkthroughs available to you from the videos that are provided, so they'll really be great. Now, this assignment is the one that I wanted to specifically talk to you about, and it's the study group project. If you go to People in Canvas, you can find the other people that are assigned to your study group. The idea is that you get together with your study group at the beginning of the assignment week and kind of plan how you are going to approach the project assignments. You work on those assignments, and then at the end of the week, you get together with your study group online again and kind of review your code. So you can use Zoom to do that, hopefully. Everybody should be able to connect, and Zoom is a wonderful resource for you to be able to connect and share screens and talk about your code and what your plans are, as well as what your successes and problems are, so that as a group you can help each other complete assignments. Now, each person should be completing the assignment on their own, but there should be assistance and help via the group to get everything completed. Now, what I would like turned in is just a summary video of your final Zoom session where you do a code review with each other. Each person should introduce themselves as they take control of the screen in the Zoom session and show their code, highlight things that they thought were important, and mention how they did. If there was anything that caused them trouble, no specific format here, like for people to keep it short, but yet communicate effectively on how they solved these problems. Think about how you would present this code review if you were in an interview situation. Now you are to be benefiting from each other as well as helping each other through this. So I'd like for your code review to be very short. Again, there should only be like a minute or 2 for each person. Your moderator may have a little bit longer time invested in that and keeping the video going. Now, I know that you'll have a 40-minute limit on your Zoom sessions, so that kind of gives you an idea of what your time frame would be. Now, some groups will have, of course, a harder time getting together than others. For some people, it may just be literally impossible. I totally understand that. I want you to do the best that you can to get together with your group, but I don't want you to think that this is a make or break situation. If it's just totally impossible for you, please let me know and we'll figure out a way for you to submit a pre-recorded code review to your group so that they can include that information in the video and respond to your code and give you feedback so that you can at least feel like you're a part of the group. We've done this in some previous online classes. It is a little bit hard for the groups to manage at first, but in the end, it turns out to be so much worth it because you guys will get to see how other people solve these problems, learn from each other, and the fact that you talk through the problem and your solution really helps to form those memory banks in your brain and keep that information for you so that it's something that you truly have learned. Okay, so please let me know if you have any questions, major issues. We can use our Discord channel to communicate. You guys can, you're welcome to set up your own Discord server, different private channels, whatever you want to do. That's fine to communicate with each other. If you would rather use Discord than Zoom, I know it does allow meetings like this of a fewer number of people, so that might be an option for you if that's something that you're comfortable with. Zoom gives you the option of more people. Okay, so I look forward to seeing these. Notice that only one person in the group, preferably your moderator, should submit this assignment. It will just be a video file. The video file will show everybody's code review. Now, what about the other assignments? The assignments for your actual Java projects. Well, for your Java projects, those .java files should still be submitted to Hypergrade. So you're going to test in Hypergrade, make sure that your output meets the requirements, and Hypergrade will serve as our source code control system for those assignments. So I think that you'll really enjoy working like this, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.